Welcome to Michigan Condo Voices, where real co-owners and real Michigan communities come together. We break down the issues that matter most with clarity and transparency. Let's get into today's episode.
Hi everyone, I'm Stephanie and welcome to Michigan Condo Voices. Please take a moment to like this video and subscribe to the channel so that others can see it. This is a short reflection for co-owners and board members about a concept that doesn't get discussed enough in the HOA governance space, but it has real impact on communities. It's a concept often described as proportional governance judgment. Proportional governance is the practice of responding to an issue in a way that matches their scale, impact, and risk, using the least escalated action necessary while still fulfilling the board's responsibilities. It emphasizes judgment, consistency, and restraint rather than defaulting to enforcement or escalation. This is part of an ongoing learning process, one I'm sharing so we can all navigate governance more thoughtfully. Proportional governance judgment is the idea that just because a board can take a certain action doesn't mean it should. Healthy governance isn't only about authority or enforcement, it's about aligning the response with the scale and context of the issue. When boards lose that balance, small issues can escalate quickly, sometimes into legal action, high costs, or long term mistrust. In many communities, escalation happens before clear communication, consistent application of policy, or thoughtful consideration of alternatives. When that happens, co owners often experience governance not as leadership, but as punishment or silence. This isn't always intentional. Sometimes it reflects stress, conflict, or internal dynamics that co owners never see. But regardless of intent, the impact on the community is real. One of the clearest signs that proportional judgment has broken down is inconsistency. When similar situations are handled differently or enforcement appears uneven, trust erodes quickly. Ethical boards work hard to ensure that thresholds are applied consistently, policies are enforced evenly, and escalation decisions are documented and explainable. Not because they're required to be perfect, but because fairness is the foundation to legitimacy. Process alone isn't enough. Judgment alone isn't enough either. Strong governance requires both clear procedures and proportional reasoned decision making. When boards slow down, document decisions, and ask a very important question: is this response appropriate for the issue? Communities are safer financially, legally, and relationally. Proportional governance judgment protects everyone: boards, co owners, and the long term health of the association. It's not about being lenient, it's about being responsible. Thanks for listening. Please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Michigan Condo Voices. Take care.